Greetings, greetings, greetings. Welcome back to this channel where every day there is a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. My name is Royd, aka DJ Sanctified, and we are doing a series on miracles, signs, and wonders performed by Jesus and his disciples. Now, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, remember to like, subscribe, share, and drop a comment. And remember to tell everybody, say it's 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning. Blessings.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Today, me I go read from the book we name Acts chapter 8, verse 9 to 13. Now, you did have one man in the town named Simon. For one long time him did a work Obeah. And the people them couldn't believe some of the powerful sitting them where him would do. And him used to claim say him a one big important somebody. Every jackman in Samaria, from the little man to the big important one, them listen to him. Them say, the man here are the God we name the great power. A him come down, come turn Simon. Them did listen to him hard, cause for one long time, them couldn't believe the sitting them where them see him do. But when them believed the good news where Philip did a preach about God's kingdom and Jesus Christ, everybody, man and woman, go get baptized. All Simon believe and get baptized too. Him follow Philip everywhere him go. And him couldn't believe the miracle them where Philip did a do. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.